Yeah, I will share my screen. Today I am going for one connector. It is very complex connector. Okay, I hope you are able to see my screen. Okay, this one is the USB Type C. Okay, this we will create and so yeah. Okay, there is a USB Type C connector. Okay, you will get 3D modeling also. You will get, I guess. We'll see that. Maybe I will check that. Yeah, you will get the 3D modeling also. Yeah, you will get 3D model. We'll download it later. Okay. So what I will do first, you go to the connector. It's a complex connector. Okay, we have to make the proper dimension and everything. But it's simple. Uh, Connector is simple, but looking wise it is complex. Okay. So we have to check first. This is the top view. Okay, and this is the side views. Okay, and the cut, this one the cut, and the front view, this also side view, and this is the front view. Okay, and here also we are getting, I think table are not there, I guess. Table sometimes, yeah, here is the table is there. See, this the type C. We will connect the type C in the both way. Okay, so what will happen here? It's ground V bus. You are able to see, right? Yeah, okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the A5 is the CC1, A6 is DP1, DPN, S bus, SBU, V bus, ground, shell. Okay, and it is the same. It is round, reversed actually. Okay, so if you see here, what happened? See A1, A2, A1, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, A12, and B1, B2, B2 like the B12. So here what will happen, that the B7, yeah, B6, A6 and B7 is the same, and means it is crisscrossed actually. A6 and B7, D and N, A7 and B6 the D and N. So it got crisscrossed here. Okay. So while routing is it is very tricky. It is routing also. We need to make differential pair and all the things. So we be careful about this. So we'll go for this. Okay. We'll go one by one. I will take a snap. If you want, you can take a snap, and the part number I will share. This is the part number. You can see the part number here. We will get in the record. Okay. You can go through this part number and take this. Okay. So I will take a snap and I will start construction on this. First, you take a snap. Okay. Keep it on page, another one slide. Okay. Go to this one. Footprint. First, what we have to do? First, we have to create a the copper pads. Okay, I will rename it as the USB connector. We can name it as CONN. Okay. Okay, and first we have to create this one, like this round pad we will create, and after that oval. First, what is the dimension they are given? Total 16 pin are there. 0.65 is the I think, yeah, 0.65 is the drill dia. The drill dia they had given, sorry, 0.4 is the drill dia, and 0.65 is the our copper pad they are given. See, if you see here, I will zoom his location. See, here they are clearly mentioned. Okay, 0.4 mm is the drill diameter. Okay, 0.65 is the pad diameter. So accordingly we have to create that. Yeah, we'll keep this side. First you have to add the pad. Okay, and keep it here. Okay, so we have to make simple. This one is how much we need to consider, 0.65, and this also 0.65. Okay, and this is 0.4 drill dia. Okay, so this is the copper pad, and the solder mask they have not mentioned. Okay, you can give it is we can check manually with 50 0.05 2 mil we can give. Okay, bit small it is. Okay, so later we can name. Okay, first you can put it, and the here the dimension they had given how much it is. Here to here it is 5.95, and after that 4.25, after that 2.25. Okay, and in between this 0.85. So what we can do, there are two, and from here to here it is how much it is, 1.35. Okay, first we'll clear it and create it. Just copy this and paste it, and just move it with the how much it is, 5.95, right? Make it the 5.95, 5.95. Okay, and this the dimension is 1.35 up. Okay, copy and yeah, you put it here. Here it 1.35, make it 1.35 here. This is 0 position, and the y dimension is 1.35. Okay, and here also it is 5.95, then this 5.95, and it is 1.35. Okay, this next one is how much it is between this. Okay, and every pin has 0.85, I guess. Yeah, just otherwise you can make like this. Just copy this and put it how much it is, 0.85. Okay, we'll see that. Okay, and here also make it y is 0. Okay, and how much it is from here, 4.25. 4.25. Oh, it's para. Okay, yeah. Otherwise we can do one thing. From here we can shift it. What is the divide by center? We can make it. This is the center. Delete it. Delete. Put a center one line. And this one is the center line of this. Okay, make it as reference point center. Okay, this is center. So here it is 4.2 pi, right? One side is total, it is 4.2 pi. 4.2 pi divided by 2. You can make 4.25 divided by 2. 1.2.25. Okay, and here 2.125. Okay, just copy this. Make it as move minus 2.125. Okay, this is 0. Why is it's not coming? Okay, 0, not 0. Okay, Here we will move it later. This is the dimension from here to here. How much it is? 0.675 minus 0.675 minus, okay, and from here to here we have to make again same thing, copy and paste, okay, 2.125 and minus 0.675, okay. Now it is how much? 4.25, okay, and again same thing, we have to make another two copper plate. How much it is now? 2.25, 2.55 divided by 2, 2.275. I think here to here how much it is now? 0.85 and 0.85, correct, okay. So what we can do now, we can just copy with the reference of this, okay, we can copy this with reference of this pad, okay. So just click it and copy it, similarly press tab, copy it. Now what is the dimension? We need to get 2.25, we need to get, so 2.55, yeah, correct. Similarly here also, okay, similarly here. Now it is in between how much? 0.85, okay, that's good. And so what we have to do, we have to take all this copy, select, press shift key and select all, okay, just copy and make it copy here. So our center pin is ready. So what we have to do next? Next we have to prepare this oval pad, okay. What they had given here? Oval pad, just copy this and put it here. But the oval pad, here we can make it as slot, okay. Here also we can make it as rounded, we can change the diameter, okay. The slot here, what they had given, see, if you see here, I will zoom this location. See, the length is 2.1, okay, and the width is 0.6. So what we have to do, the width x dimension 0.6, okay. Here there is no lead, okay, lead dia, okay, directly they had given the land pattern. So if they mentioned here something, we need to calculate accordingly, like plus 10 mil, but here directly they had given the land pattern, so accordingly we have to consider that, okay. And it is at 2.1, it is at 2.1, so slot is ready, okay. And we have to provide the width. Here width is 2.4, sorry, length is 2.4, width is how much? 0.9. So what we can do, 0.9 2.4, 2.4, okay, 0.4, 2.1, correct. Yeah, this is the 0.4, sorry, 0.6, 0.6, okay, I'll keep it here only. This is the 0.6, okay, and this is the 2.1, correct, and it is the 0.9, 0.9, and it is a 2.4. Yeah, and after that what we have to do, so center point. Okay, here we need to identify the center. How we have to identify? This is our center point. Okay, this is center point, and this is also center point. So what is the center point they have mentioned here? 8.68. Okay, this is the 8.68 the center point, and from this pin to this pin they have mentioned as 0.37. From this pin to we have to keep it 0.37 up. Okay, so what we can do now, and center is 8.68. 8.65 divided by 2, 8.65 divided by 2, 4.325, and up top is 0.37. Okay, so we can keep this like this here, and we can move it. How much it is? 4.325 minus 4.325. Okay, this much up here. It's very near, right? Sorry, center. Sorry. We keep it here. How much it is now? Minus 4.325. Okay, and 4.325, correct? Yeah. Okay, and up to y is from here to here. Y, how much we need? But then how much we will consider this one measurement? How much it is now? 1.35. We keep it here. 3.7, 0.37 minus 1.35 up is 0.37. Okay, this is the position. Okay, and from here to here we can move it is like the same, it is 1.35. Copy this, okay, and paste it here. Move to (1.35) plus. Okay, there is the position, and similarly we have to calculate another one copper pad. The same, the width is changed now. Instead of 2.1 we have to make 1.7. Okay, and this also, how much it is? 1.4. Just copy this, put it here, change 1.7. okay, width is the same, 0.9, and the this is 1.4. okay, so now it is how much we need to consider from here to here. It is here to here, it is 3.38. okay, 3.38. so we need to copy this, put it here. Okay, move 0 minus 3.38. okay, and just copy from the reference by taking the reference of this and put it here. Okay, this one is created. So another thing what we have to do here, from this edge to this is the mark they had given. Why? Because this is the edge of the PCB. So the what we are seeing this end, right? It has to come and sit. This is the marking of this. Okay, for example, if you consider this is the edge, this edge. Okay, this edge marking it is. From where it is? This edge mark is from this pin to 1.74. So where we have to mention this? We have to mention this edge. For example, if you consider this one and drag it, okay, and move to, we have to put it in silk layer. Okay, so what we have to do? Minus 1.74. Okay, these the, we have to put the name as PCB edge. PCB EDG edge. Okay, this is the naming. So we can make the name now. This one is, so same symbol we need to make it in the symbol creation. Okay, then only this symbol will match with the particular footprint. So symbol name is B12 and it is how much? B9. Okay, and it is B8. Okay, and it is B7. And it is B6. Okay, and it is B5. It is B4. And it is B1. Okay, and it is A12. So we can rename one by one. And it is A9. And it is A8. And it is, after A8 is A7. And it is A6. Okay, then it is A5. It is A4. And finally it is A1. Okay, and side it is we can name it as what it is, what they named here. It's the shield. Okay, so what we can name, what they named here, A1 A2. Okay, then this is the shield. Okay, shell, they are named it as shell. Okay, or S1 S2 S3 S4 we can make it. Okay, so it is the S1, the shield. Okay, it will directly connected to the ground, earth. Okay, S2, then it is S3 and it is S4. So our copper pad is ready. So we need to plan for the next. See what they had given. This is the our footprint. Okay, so we need to fit there. This is a PCB edge. Okay, they had given this as a PCB edge. From this PCB edge to this one is 4.25. Okay, pin, first pin. Sorry, not it is the first pin. This is the this slot. Okay, 4.25 they had given. So we will measure it first. We'll see whether it is 4.25 or not. 1.27. This is 1.17 they had given. Okay, this is the slot. Okay, here is the slot. From slot they are given 1.74. Okay, fine. Okay, this is the PCB edge. It is not a PCB edge. Okay, it has to come bit out. Okay, so but we have to put the board in the board. We have to put in this dimension, but it will come out some extra the USB pin. It will come out, so that from this edge, this is the actual outline 4.25. So what we can do, to make minus 4.25. Okay, this is the actual body, but we have to put until here, and this portion will come out from the PCB. For example, if it is a PCB, for example, if we consider this as a PCB board, and your USB will come like this bit outside. Okay, and this is the portion will come bit outside, and this will be the portion of this 1.79 something. What is this one? It is, yeah, this is 1.74. Okay, this marking, and further it is up to from here to here it is 4.25. So it will come out. Okay, this is the portion which I have marked PCB edge. Our PCB will come and the connector will come and fit here, so extra the thing will come out from the PCBs. Okay, so next one. Okay, and after that 8.94 is the width. Okay, from here to 9.17. Okay, either 3.3 4.2.3.28, and total from here to here it is 9.17. So 8.94. So 8.94 divided by 2. 8.94 divided by 2. 4.47 per side. How much it is? 4.47. We have to move this 4.47. Okay, so we can make it bit up. This assembly we can make. Okay, otherwise we can copy it to the assembly. Later we can make silk. Okay, change to the assembly layer. What it is here, we anything bottom top assembly, we can move it in top assembly. Okay, the same thing, just copy it and put it here. Control V, make it here, or you can make it a Control V X. If you press X, right, it will X mirror. Okay, if you press Y, it is Y mirror. Okay, what we have to do is just copy. Okay, just copy and click somewhere. Okay, and Control V, if you press the Control V, it will come here. Or if you take the reference of this, if you take reference of here, it will take there. Just take a reference, save, click on that line and copy and click here some point. This is the reference point of us. Okay, take the reference. Control V X means horizontal mirror, and put it the same location. Now what the measurement, it will take automatically. Okay, and take this. Okay, press shift key and drag bit back. Okay, so press shift key, or otherwise or you can make join, no issues. Okay, here you can click it and make a join assembly. Okay, here also you can join like this, and the same thing here also you can make join. And from here to here, how much it is now? 9.17. Okay, total length is copy. I think instead of making this, you can make like this. Delete this. Okay, got connected. Okay, make it like this and delete this. Not required. Delete this. Okay. Okay. How much it is now? It is 9.17. Just copy, paste it here, and move to 9.17. 9.17. Okay. Just now make a join here. Okay. Make a join. Okay, this is actual assembly body. Okay, so you can make like, just we need to make silk layer, right? Just copy this all 4 line, take a reference of this, any one point or in here or whatever it may be, take a reference and active this layer, paste special. Okay, paste it here. Okay, just move. You may set a grid of 0.1, drag somewhat here. Okay, this side and this side. If you want, you can make some bit up. Okay. Okay, but you can move this. Okay, but it is your reference, you can move it, but okay. But this should be the fixed location. Don't move any here. This one. Okay, it should be fixed because we need, this is the reference for the board edge. Okay, and you can drag it. Okay, leave it, keep as it is, no issues. Okay. And after that, here no need to mention anything because it will be fixed in one direction only. Otherwise you can make, if you want to make, you can paste this one, you can keep it as A1. Okay, and it is the much around 0.85 you can make. Okay, then it is a A12. Okay, this is mentioned, you can mention, and you can mention it is a B12 here. Here outside you have to mention. Okay, don't mention inside because if you fix right, it will not see. B12. Okay, you can put it here, the text B12, and this one is a B1. Okay, B1, just for our reference. This is over. This is over, and what else? Everything is fine. Keyboard area is there. This one is there. Okay, we have to put this one. Courtyard. Okay. Outermost this one, outline of the Go to the top coordinates, paste it, paste to special. Okay, you have to take a reference of this and move point 2. Okay, at least point 2 you can move. Actual outline, this is move it, move it, move it. Okay, this is our this one, and we will download the this one now. It's while creating I am creating, right? Looks to be very easy, but you try it. Okay, then only you can face the difficulty, how difficult it is. Okay, step 5. Okay, and you can put it here, project step 5. Okay, go to there, extract it. Just take a path of this, copy this path and go to the this one, place 3D body. See, if you keep here, so we need to put where it is, the layer, change the layers, 3D body. Okay, you can change it here also, you can change the layers. Okay, 3D body. See here, 3D, put that. Okay, this like this it is. So we need to make 90-degree rotation. If we make the 90-degree rotation, it will put it here, and just take this one reference. And otherwise you can take, if it is difficult, what you can do, you can take this one line and go to this assembly layer or whatever it may be here, active. Okay, click here. So press shift and space bar. Okay, you will get it will line will differentiate. This one is the line, and press it here. Okay. And this is the your center point. Okay, not able to click. Right. Activate. Or you can make click on center and put it here. It will take a reference of center. Or otherwise active this. Okay, put it here. Now delete this. Not required. Okay, if you put 3D, see your USB got fixed here. So this is exactly we have created as per the data sheets. Okay, if you see here, every pin got fixed here. Okay, this also same thing, it goes fixed. Like this we have to create the footprints. So now we have completed the footprint section. Okay, if anybody have doubt, we have any doubt, let me know. Is it clear? Shall I move further?